Hello and welcome to our episode of Weekly Current Affairs. Let us look at the first question. What is India's ranking in the Global Peace Index 2025? A. 100, B. 115, C. 120, D. 110. The correct answer is option B. 115. India ranked 115th globally in the Global Peace Index 2025 with a GPI score of 2.229, reflecting a 0.58% improvement from the previous year. Question 2. Which state recently became the third fully literate state in India? A. Goa, B. Mizoram, C. Tripura, D. Kerala. The correct answer is option C. Tripura. Tripura became the third fully literate state in India, achieving a literacy rate of 95.6% as part of the Ullas initiative after Goa and Mizoram. Question 3. When was the International Day of Women in Diplomacy designated by the United Nations? A. June 1, B. June 15, C. June 24, D. July 1. The correct answer is option C. June 24. The 76th session of the United Nations General Assembly designated June 24 every year as the International Day of Women in Diplomacy to raise awareness about the underrepresentation of women in diplomacy. Question 4. Who was selected as an astronaut candidate for Titan Space Industries? A. William MacArthur Jr., B. Janvi Dangeti, C. Kalpana Chawla, D. Sunita Williams. The correct answer is option B. Janvi Dangeti. Janvi Dangeti, a 23-year-old from Palakolu in Andhra Pradesh, has been selected as an astronaut candidate for Titan Space Industries. Question 5. How much longer is India's coastline now compared to its previous length? A. 10%, B. 30%, C. 50%, D. 100%. The correct answer is option C. 50%. India's coastline is now nearly 50% longer than previously recorded, based on new and more accurate measurements. Question 6. Where is the Kamakhya temple, the site of Ambubachi Mela, located? A. Guwahati, Assam, B. Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, C. Jaipur, Rajasthan, D. Puri, Odisha. The correct answer is option A. Guwahati, Assam. The Kamakhya temple, dedicated to goddess Kamakhya, is located in Guwahati, Assam. It is one of the most important temples for Tantric Shaktism. Question 7. How much minimum investment is required from approved applicants under the SPME PCI scheme? A. 2000 CR, B. 5000 CR, C. 10,000 CR, D. 4150 CR. The correct answer is option D. 4150 CR. Approved applicants under the scheme are required to make a minimum investment of 4,150 CR in line with the scheme's provisions. Question 8. What year was the lamp donated to Anant Padmanabha temple? A. 1200 AD, B. 1456 AD, C. 1600 AD, D. 1900 AD. The correct answer is option B. 1456 AD. The lamp was donated to the temple in 1456 AD as confirmed by an epigraphical reference found in the temple. Question 9. Where is the NATO summit being held this year? A. Brussels, Belgium, B. The Hague, Netherlands, C. Berlin, Germany, D. Paris, France. The correct answer is option B. The Hague, Netherlands. The NATO summit this year is taking place in The Hague, Netherlands, where leaders are gathering to discuss various global security issues. Question 10. Where was the new species of gecko, Dravidogecko kunnur, discovered? A. Nilgiris, Tamil Nadu, B. Western Ghats, Kerala, C. Andaman Islands, D. Western Ghats, Karnataka. The correct answer is option A. Nilgiris, Tamil Nadu. The Dravidogecko kunnur was discovered in the Nilgiris, Tamil Nadu, specifically around the Kunnur hills of the upper Nilgiris. Question 11. What is India's rank in the 2025 United Nations Sustainable Development Goals Index? A. 89th, B. 93rd, C. 99th, D. 104th. The correct answer is option C, 99th. India secured the 99th position out of 193 nations in the 2025 Global SDG rankings, marking a significant improvement. Question 12. What is the informal name given to the newly identified EMM negative blood group system? A. Guada positive, B. Guada negative, C. Guadalupe blood group, D. EMM positive. The correct answer is option B, Guada negative. The newly identified EMM negative blood group system is informally named Guada negative in reference to the Guadalupean origin of the woman who carries it. Question 13. What is the capacity of India's first off-grid green hydrogen pilot plant commissioned by the Adani Group? A. 10 megawatts, B. 50 megawatts, C. 15 megawatts, D. 5 megawatts. The correct answer is option D, 5 megawatts. The Adani Group commissioned India's first off-grid 5 megawatt green hydrogen pilot plant in Kutch, Gujarat, as a significant step towards India's national green hydrogen mission. Question 14. Where is the Salkhan Fossils Park located? A. Rajasthan, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Kerala. The correct answer is B. Uttar Pradesh. Salkhan Fossils Park has been included in UNESCO's tentative list of World Heritage Sites recently. It is located in Sonbhadra, Uttar Pradesh, and is one of the oldest fossil sites in the world. Question 15. What is the name given to the first fast patrol vessel inducted into the Indian Coast Guard? A. Adamya, B. V, C. Vikrant, D. Shakti. The correct answer is A. Adamya. Adamya is the first fast patrol vessel inducted into Indian Coast Guard, marking a significant milestone for the force. Question 16. When was Prime Minister Gram Sadak Yojana first launched? A. 2005, B. 2010, C. 2000, D. 2015. The correct answer is option C, 2000. The PMGSY was first launched on December 25, 2000 by Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee to improve rural infrastructure by constructing roads. Question 17. Where will the proposed CIP South Asia Regional Center be located? A. Bihar, B. Agra, C. West Bengal, D. Odisha. The correct answer is option B, Agra. The proposed CIP South Asia Regional Center will be located at Singna in Agra district, Uttar Pradesh, and will serve South Asian countries. Question 18. How much net foreign direct investment did India receive in April 2025? A. $3.95 billion, B. $2.50 billion, C. $4.50 billion, D. $5 billion. The correct answer is option A, $3.95 billion. India received net FDI of $3.95 billion in April 2025, the most in 35 months, more than double from the previous year. Question 19. What was the total carbon dioxide equivalent emissions in 2024? A. 39.5 gigatons, B. 40.8 gigatons, C. 41.5 gigatons, D. 42 gigatons. The correct answer is option B, 40.8 gigatons. A recent report stated that global carbon dioxide emissions in 2024 exceeded the record level of 40.8 gigatons of carbon dioxide equivalent. Question 20. According to the new CBSE policy, how many subjects can a student improve their performance during the second exam? A. 1 subject, B. 2 subjects, C. 3 subjects, D. 4 subjects. The correct answer is option C, 3 subjects. The second exam allows students to improve their performance in up to 3 subjects, including science, mathematics, social science, and 2 language papers.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.